Dear students, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, based on the time zone at present you are staying. First of all, I welcome all of you for our YouTube channel. You know very well, I am Selvamani Krishnamurthy, your information technology teacher, who is sitting in front of you. So this is Java GUI video lesson number 11. In this lesson, we are going to create voter eligibility graphical user interface applications in Java. So as usual, I'd like to share my screen. Good. I hope my screen is visible to all. Good. GUI programming in Java, Java GUI video lesson number 11, GPT. What do you mean by voter eligibility? You know very well, in India, if your age is 18 or more than 18, you are eligible to vote in the election. Whereas if your age is less than 18, you are 18 years not completed, less than 18, you are not eligible to vote. Is it clear? This is what we want to create. First, let us see if-else statement. Then we can proceed. This if-else statement already we studied. Anyway, we will see once again. The syntax is if one expression. That expression may be condition. It gives true or false. That means this expression needs to give true or false. If the expression gives true, the statement 1 which follows if will execute. The statement 2 which follows else will not execute. Very simple. Am I right? Good. In some case, if the expression gives false, the statement 1 follows if will not execute. Statement 2 follows else will execute. True means statement 1, statement 2 will not execute. False means statement 2 will execute, statement 1 will not execute. See, the block of code following if, that is statement 1, is executed if the condition is true. This is the condition. This expression is condition. The block of code following the else, that is statement 2, is executed if the condition is false. Very simple. Is it clear? Good. Now, this is our design view. We are having one form. This age for one label, J text field 1, J button 1, this is J button 2. That means what? In this text field, user will enter his age. After entering age in text field 1, the user will need to click user check eligibility to vote. Based on the age, once user click check eligibility to vote, we need to get one dialog box. Either you are eligible to vote or not eligible to vote. This is what our aim. See it here. First, let us see the output screen. Then we can go for this. First screen. User enter number 48. After entering 48, he clicked check eligibility to vote. What do we expect our output? See, one message dialog box needs to display with the text. You are eligible to vote. This is first case. Why? Because the age is more than 18. Second case, the user enters number 17 in the text field. After entering 17, he click check eligibility to vote. So what is our expected output? We need one message box that displays you are not eligible to vote. This is what our expected vote. Stop means what? You know very well, it closes our GUI application. This is what our expected output. So this is what our design view, one label box, one text field 1, J button 1, J button 2 we need. Okay. Then we can go to source view. In this program, we need dialog box, this dialog box, message dialog box. So we need to import java x.swing.j option pan. That already we studied. This J option pan only having J message dialog. If you want to display message dialog box in your application, you need to import Java option pan available under javax.swing. That you need to import. Then what is the next one? J button to action button. When you click this button, what do you do? Our GUI application needs to close. That means system.exit of 1. Fine. After entering some value in this text field, J text field, once you click this J button 1, this code will execute. Here we are having one if else statement. Inside the if expression we are having. Let us see one by one. You know very well, J text field 1 dot get text. It retrieves the text. It retrieves the value entered in J text field 1 as string. Whatever value we are entering in the text field, that will be considered as string. Okay. This parsing is a one method available under integer class. That also already we studied. This parsing converts string into integer. That means even though I entered 48, our application will consider as 48. This 48 will be converted into 48 by using parsing. Am I right? This whole thing contains now 48. Now we need to evaluate the condition. 48 greater than equal to 18. Condition true. This statement will execute. This statement will not execute. We are having J option pan dot show message dialog box. This comma you are eligible to vote. That will be displayed. What will happen if user gives number 17? We need you are not eligible to vote. Assume now user gives number 17. Okay. Even though a user enter number 17, our application will consider as 17 as string. That 17 will be converted into 17 by using parse int of integer. Then condition will be evaluated. 17 greater than equal 18. The condition is false. The statement follows if will not execute. Statement follows else needs to execute. J option pan dot show message dialog box this comma. You are not eligible to vote, that will be displayed. That is what we are getting here. Is it clear? Good. Similarly, let us recap each and every statement in this program. Integer dot parse int of get text field 1 dot get text. What is the meaning? It retrieves the value entered by the user in the text field using get text as string and converts into integer using parsing. First step. Am I right? Second step is condition. Integer dot parse int of j text field 1 dot get text greater than equal to 18. It check whether the value is greater than or equal to 18 or not. Am I right? So, third statement. J option pan dot show message dialog this comma you are eligible to vote. If the value is greater than or equal to 18, that means if the condition is true, this statement displays you are eligible to vote. J option pan dot show message dialog box this comma you are not eligible to vote. If the value is less than 18, it displays you are not eligible to vote. It displays you are not eligible to vote. Instead of null, we can put it here. This is also no problem. Okay. So this, if the value is less than 18, it displays you are not eligible to vote. Am I right? Good. So now let us demonstrate the same application in front of you so that it will be easy for you to understand. As usual, I like to open my Apache NetBeans. So first I need to design the control. After that, I need to create program. Then we need to execute. After that, I want to verify our voter eligibility GUI application is working or not. Good. Now it's opening. I want to create a new project. Go to File and then New Project. Next, there I can give any one name. Java Guy Program 11 or whatever name you want, you can give. Please make sure this tick mark should be removed. Okay, then finish. So we created one project. In this project, I want to add one form. That is important. So now under source package, I need to right click new Java frame, JJava frame. Here I need to give one name or whatever name you want, you can give. I'm giving FRM Java Guy 11 and then finish. Good. I got one form. So better let us make this form very small size. Good. So now I want to give one title, just like a voter eligibility. Better we can make it as a big. So now I need to select the form, go to title here. I can give voter eligibility. Eligibility, fine. Then I need one label for age. Better I can give some font size, bold and then 18. Fine. So label should be age. Good. Then I need one text field. Here. For text field also we can bold, font size 18. Okay. This text field need to be removed. So for no problem, one button I need, that is J button. Font size bold and then font size 8 for button also. Instead of title button 1, it should be changed as voter eligibility. Let us check what is there inside. Eligibility to vote. To vote. Okay. Under this button, one more button for stop. Bold as well as 18. Okay. Instead of text button 2, it should be stop. So far clear. Now, we will finish the coding for stop. That is very simple. This coding. Very simple. Button 2. J button 2. Whenever we click J button 2, we need system.exit of 1. Let's check it. Save the program. We got one form with the title voter eligibility. Here, whenever I click stop, the program will enter, exit. Better we can give now 49. Click eligible to vote, nothing happened. That's okay, because we are not creating any program for J button 2. Okay. Whenever I click stop, the program ends. So far, no problem. So now we need to create program for J button 1. Now we are in J button 1 here. What we have to create first inside, we need one if function, if statement. If integer dot parseInt of get text field. Get text field 1 dot get text. It should be greater than or equal to 18. This is what our condition. Okay, this is what. If the condition is true, we need one dialog box. That is J option pan dot show message dialog box. So in your program, if you want one message box, we need to import J option pan. That is available under import java x dot swing dot J option pan. Please make sure J O and then pan P should be capital letter. Import java x dot swing dot J option pan. Now we can use it here. J option pan dot show message dialogs. Message dialog. Inside this comma, what message I want to give? So I want to display you are eligible to vote. This is a small message I want to display. Okay. Then after that, the condition is false. The condition is false. Else block needs to execute. The same J option pan. Instead of you are eligible to vote, here you are not eligible to vote. That's very simple. You are not eligible to vote. Here I can give one blank space. I hope everything's fine. Let us check. Whenever I click button, J button 2, the text entered in J text field 1 will be retrieved. That will be as a string. That string will be converted into integer. That will be compared with 18. If it is greater than or equal to 18, J option pan show message dialogs. Here you are eligible to vote. Okay. If it is less than 18, else block G option pan show message dialogs. You are not eligible to vote. So far, no problem. Let us check. First, let us check 48. I'm giving 48. You know very well, 48 is greater than or equal to 18. Condition true. If I click this button, we will get you are eligible to vote. You are eligible to vote. I got it. Is it fine? Good. In same way, if I'm giving 17, 17 is less than 18, condition false. Condition false means the statement follows if will not execute. The statement follows else needs to execute. If I click, one message dialog box will come. It will show you are not eligible to vote. Okay, let us check. We got you are not eligible to vote. That's fine. Very simple. Is it clear? Good. I hope everything is clear. So all of you understand this program very nicely. Today I stopped here itself. In next lesson, let us study something extra. Until then, thank you, student. Have a nice good day. Bye bye. See you.